Cooking with the Grinch by Tish Rabe, illustrated by Tom Brennan. Cooking with the Grinch. The Grinch goes down, down to the town. He hears the bells, ding dong, dong ding. He hears the who's, they sing, sing, sing. He taps a door, it's Cindy Lou. She likes to cook, the Grinch does too. He likes to mix, she likes to stir. She cooks with him, he cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max, oh no, 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 no. Max, you have to go, go, go. The treats are done. Don't let them tip. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves the treats. She saves them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, 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 yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. The end.